In this video, we're going to explore the SQL, MIN, and MAX functions. These functions are essential for finding the smallest and largest values within a column of your database table. We will learn how to use these functions to extract valuable insights from your data. Let's define what the MIN and MAX functions actually do. The MIN function returns the smallest value from a specified column in a table. It's useful for finding the lowest number, the earliest date, or the first value alphabetically in a given dataset. On the other hand, the MAX function returns the largest value from the specified column in a table. This is useful for finding the highest number, the latest date, or the last value alphabetically. Now let's take a look at the syntax for the MIN and MAX functions in SQL. To use the MIN function, you would write select min, followed by the name of the column you want to find the minimum value from, and then from, followed by the name of the table. You can also add a where clause to specify a condition. Similarly, for the MAX function, you would write select max, followed by the column name, from the table name, and optionally include a where clause to filter the data based on a specific condition. Remember that the MIN and MAX functions are used to retrieve single values representing the minimum and maximum values, respectively, from the specified column. To demonstrate how the MIN and MAX functions work, let's consider an example products table. The table includes columns such as product ID, product name, category, price, and stock. For instance, you can see entries for products like laptops, smartphones, headphones, smart TVs, and keyboards, along with their respective details. Notice that the headphone has the minimum price of $49.99, and smart TV has maximum price of $1,299.00. Now, let's use the MIN function to find the minimum price from our products table. The SQL query would be select min price as minimum price from products. This query selects the minimum value from the price column and assigns it the alias minimum price. The result of this query would be a table with one row and one column, showing the minimum price as $49.99. This tells us that the lowest price in the products table is $49.99. Let's see how we can use the MAX function to find the maximum price from the products table. The SQL query is select max price as maximum price from products. This query selects the maximum value from the price column and names it maximum price. The result shows a table with one row, displaying the maximum price as $1,299.00. This indicates that the highest price in the products table is $1,299.00. Let's explore how to use the MIN and MAX functions with a where clause to filter data based on specific conditions. For example, to find the minimum price in the electronics category, the SQL query would be select min price as min price from products where category equals electronics. This query selects the minimum price only from products where the category is electronics. The result shows the minimum price as $699.50. Similarly, to find the maximum stock in the electronics category, the SQL query would be select max stock as max stock from products where category equals electronics. This query selects the maximum stock level only from products in the electronics category. The result displays the maximum stock as 120. Let's see practical use cases for the MIN and MAX functions. First, you can use these functions to find the price ranges of products, allowing you to set filters, display pricing information, or analyze product pricing strategy. You can use this SQL query to find the lowest and highest prices. Another use case is identifying the earliest and latest orders to analyze sales patterns, customer behavior, or system performance. You can use this SQL query to find the first and latest order dates. MIN and MAX functions can be used to identify products with the lowest stock to create automatic reordering systems or alert inventory managers. The code snippet gives an example SQL query to identify the product name from products table with lowest stock. You can use it to analyze sales performance, identify trends, or set sales targets. The code snippet gives an example SQL query to group sales rep to find lowest and highest sale. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.